Rentvine team, how we doing today? We have another video of Rentvine Academy. Yes, we do. And today we are going to be going over APIs. An API stands for Application Programming Interface. So basically, what an API allows you to do within the instance of Rentvine, you could go ahead and give a user specific access to go ahead and access your API. So I'm going to go to Settings, go to User Rules, and then go to API. And then once the API is generated, you could go ahead and create a new API key for a specific user. So I could label this and label what the name is. From there, select which role I wanted to give access to. Think of it, it's like another user in the system. So if you're going to give a third party vendor or somebody that's working with your API on your team to build you something custom, and integrate it into the system, then if you don't want them to have access to certain things, you could limit that access by assigning them a specific role. But if you want them to have fully open capabilities, you could give them the admin role. Go ahead and click save. And then from there, it's going to give you an API key and an API secret. From there, you're going to want to make sure you copy those down. And then from there, go ahead and give access to that specific user. I could click close. With this API key I just created, I could edit the key if I need to change the name or the role. I could update the secret if I need to. If you're using pods, you could update the pod that it's associated to, or just delete this key in this example. The APIs are super powerful with customization and being able to build through the system. So it's cool. Anything you see here within Rentvine, we're going to give you guys access to the API. Our API is fully open. We are not going to restrict you guys. We are not going to limit you guys. If you guys want somebody to have full access and admin access to gain all the ability within the Rentvine interface or your Rentvine environment to go ahead and map certain things with the API by either extracting information out and adding it to, I don't know, your own dashboard that maybe you're creating outside the system, or extracting information in. Maybe you want to upload tenant receipts in bulk, and you want to do that through the API. There are certain ways that you could go ahead and do multiple things with the API to customize your guys' workflows and get amazing things created. Also, another cool thing is we don't charge for the API. The API is completely open and it's free with your Rentvine subscription. So this is powerful for integrations, other third-party companies that want to integrate with us. If you're a property management company and you want to go ahead and build something through the API to better your workflows or your tracking, or do certain more customizable things within the system, the free open API is going to be the way to go. Thank you guys so much for your time and have a wonderful rest of your day.